Hello and welcome back to the Swing Trading Opportunities video, which is released on every week, every Sunday, for you to have a look at it, learn from it, implement if you find it all right, in line with your risk appetite and in line with your financial goals. And in the bargain, in the process, you may make money or you may incur a loss. I really do not know what is the outcome, what is the likely outcome of any of the sectors or scripts that I have mentioned here. I may or may not take any positions, but I'm only sharing my insights, knowledge, experience with you via this video. This video originally was to be done by KR, but he is tied up with something else. So I thought, why not I do the video this time? So, friends, let's go straight into the swing trading opportunities. Nifty closed at 18114. This is the highest monthly close for Nifty, but as you can see, it is not the highest weekly close. Nifty actually struggled on all the 5 days of this week. Ended Monday almost on in doji mode, and then all the other 4 days kept falling like a pack of cards after hitting a 18604 high. It is almost 500 points down. Can you believe that in 4 sessions only? Well, let's see what's the outcome that it has caused. Now, as you see, the number of sectors where the opportunities are lying have completely shrunk. एकदम 4 सेक्टर पे आ गया है. एक मेटल्स जो है वो आगे भी रह चुका है पिछले हफ्तों में. But otherwise, these three sectors are where a lot of profit booking has also come: consumption, FMCG, and growth. But these sectors have come to important levels where the scripts are, where the sector is, and all that one needs to do is that one needs to find out which are the scripts that are falling under consumption, FMCG, growth sectors, and metals, and look at them and trade. Evaluate the trade option. Let's look at Nifty consumption uh, and see why I would have picked this up. All right. Now, KR actually does something good, that he puts the moving averages and he talks about it. But I am not too much in favor of that, because I want you people to understand, learn from these videos and not take ready-made ideas, right? बिकॉज रेडीमेड आइडियाज अगर आप टिप किसी की लोगे तो शायद एक दो बार चल जाएगी, लेकिन आपको जिंदगी भर की सीख जो है वो नहीं मिलेगी. वो तो अपने आप करने से ही मिलती है दोस्तों. So as you can see, this is a big dip, and yet I have listed this as one of the potential sectors where opportunities may be there. Why? Picture tells the story. Find out. We have got moving averages and we have got RSI. Okay. So the next is FMCG. FMCG. And interestingly, when I tried to find the scripts that were on my radar under these sectors also, some of the scripts did not feature. I have not looked at all the scripts, but some of the scripts did not feature, and that was very surprising. So this is FMCG. Again, picture tells the story. There is nothing more that I need to say. Just observe this chart. Take your time in observing the chart and then decide why I would have done this. Use your own moving averages, your own momentum indicators, etc. Whatever you are using, intraday, daily, grandfather, father, son, monthly, weekly, daily, hourly, 15-minute, whatever you want to see. And these are the stocks which I have observed. Now, out of this, uh, I am holding EI Hotels. EI Hotels is the one script where I entered. Now, I have not entered with a big position, but I am just trying to build a position based on how the script actually moves. So EI, the first and last actually, EI Hotels, East India Hotels, and Westlight Development. So these are the two scripts that I have bought during the week. I have built a small position. Intent is to my intent to build any such position, of small micro mini cap scripts will be out of my gains only, because I don't want to risk my own capital. Let market capital be applied to this. Okay, friends. So let's look at EI Hotels. Why I would have picked up that. And EI Hotels, EIH Limited. This is where it is. Pause the video, look at it, why I would have picked up. I picked it up this week only. Okay. You can use your own indicators. I will also put West Side Development. I really like this name. It's a very unusual name for a company to have. West Side. क्यों ऐसा हो गया भाई? वेस्ट साइड डेवलपमेंट ही है कि Western Development. I may be wrong. It looks like I'm wrong. Western Development. No, anyway, sorry about that. I will update this thing after checking it out. But let's look at another script, Sharda Crop. Sharda Crop has featured earlier as well. And this is another script. As I'm reading and checking, I'm finding more scripts. Sharda Crop is also a good script. Now, you see, you may not see the moving average that I have used here. This is 20 moving average, but you can use your own moving average and you will know why this is an opportunity. This time, the number of scripts have come down significantly. This time, West Life Development is, sorry, not West Life, not Side. That was the issue. West Life Development. I'm making mistake in typing also. क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है? By the way, friends, I am preparing this video as India is struggling to find its ground against Pakistan. Now, this is another script where I'm building small positions out of the gains made. You can have a look at the chart and you will know why I have entered this. So even though Nifty is on a monthly basis at all-time high close, but opportunities are not that many, and only tomorrow's price action will let us know which way Nifty is heading. So with this, I take your leave, friends. If you have any questions, queries, please let me know. Some feedback that I have received is that this is video is helping. It is interesting, and that's it. If you find it interesting, it is worth the effort that I am putting in. Okay, friends, see you next week in the swing trading opportunities video. Until then, keep learning, keep implementing, keep risk assessing, and then eventually you will be able to make money.